Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 500 amp 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase and is in good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It is remote controlled. There is the remote. Overall dimensions, 25 inches long by 30 inches wide by 43 inches high. Weighs roughly 360 pounds. And we'll come back around here, turn it on so we can see and hear it go. Very nice quiet machine. Take a look at the oscilloscope wave here. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.